Okay. Dear student, Namaste. Today we are discussing here about components. Today is 23rd class of class 6 of subject science. So, dear student, before this class we have discussed about the element. Now we are going to discuss about compound. So let's see here. A compound is a pure substance formed by the union of two or more elements. Two or more elements in a fixed proportion by their number or weight. You understand here, okay? Further, compound can be decomposed into two or more simple form. Example: carbon dioxide, ammonia, sodium, chloride, water, glucose, etc. are some examples of compound. Okay? You have to learn first this. A compound is a pure substance. Compound is not a liquid, okay? It is a pure substance. Firstly, you have to this pure substance formed by the union of two or more elements. It is a pure substance. It is formed by the combination of elements, or you can say two or more than two elements in a fixed proportion of their number. In a fixed proportion of their number, or we can say weight. Okay? Okay. So see here, list of some compounds and their constituent elements. Just example, this is a water. Okay? Water. Water, normally we say water in our language, but science, how it is made? It is made by hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen means H2, oxygen means O. It is called H2O. Okay? Hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element. So see here, formed by the union of two or more elements. Hydrogen and oxygen means combination of elements. If compound is formed by the combination of elements in the proportion of their number or weight. Understood? So, proportion, if you find out how many hydrogen are there? Yes, 2. How many oxygen? 1. So, this is called proportion. 2:1 is a proportion. Any confusion, dear student? Very good. Similarly, ammonia. Ammonia, how ammonia is made? How ammonia is made? Nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay? Nitrogen and NH3. Ammonia, NH3. So, how many number of nitrogen? 1. And how many hydrogen? 3. 1:3. Ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen combination, the proportion is 1:3. Okay? So, this is an element, this is an element. So, this, I told you, a compound is a pure substance formed by the union of two or more elements in fixed proportion by their number or weight. Common salt. Sodium, you can say sodium. Common salt means sodium chloride. What you say? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay? Common salt means sodium and chloride means how many sodium? 1:1. It is in the proportion 1:1. Okay, sodium is this sodium element sodium, chloride means chlorine. Similarly, carbon dioxide. Yes, it is made by carbon and oxygen. CO2. Okay, carbon C means carbon, O means oxygen. Oxygen means O2. So its proportion is 1:2. Any comprehension? Yes, very nice. So student, this you can understand by you can understand very simply. If anybody asks you what is compound, if suppose at that time you forget, then you can tell that compound is a pure substance formed by the combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion by their number or weight, or simply a combination of elements, two or more elements, like this. Okay? Any conclusion, student? Very good. So, student, difference between element and compound. Okay? Element, compound. We can simply make the difference of that. Firstly, you can define the formula of definition of element and definition of compound. That is the one difference. Next, elements can't split, broken down in simple form. That can compound can split into simple form. Yes, see. It is a pure substance which is composed of one kind of atom. An element is composed of only one kind of atoms. It is a type of substance which is composed of two or more kind of atoms. Yes, really. It is composed by, I told you, no, it is composed by two or more atoms or two or more elements. It cannot be split into simple substance by any simple means. We can't split down. It can't be broken down by any means. Just example, hydrogen, oxygen, iron, fluorine, neon, like this, sodium, like this. It can be split into simple substances. It can split. Just take an example of water. Water means H2O. By electrolysis process, water, just when we do electrolysis process, then hydrogen and oxygen can separate there. Okay? So dear student, this is the difference between element and compound. So see the points to know. The things that have mass and occupy space are called vectors. You can see that from the points to know. 2 number, particular substance dissolves in a particular solvents. Okay. 3, those substances which allow light to pass through them easily called transparent substances. 4, brittleness is the property to break down into small pieces. Number 5, the substances which can burn easily on simple heating are called combustible substances. Number 6, different substances have different color and odor. 7, solid and liquids are incompressible. 8, during change of state, heat is either absorbed or raised. 9, the temperature at which water freezes into ice is called freezing point. 10, elements are pure substances which do not contain more than one kind of molecules. 11, A compound is a substance formed by the combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion by their number of weights. So dear student, in your book there is a point to know. It is very and very important after discussing the chapter, because you have completed, I had completed by teaching this chapter. So you can see the key points, this main point. Okay. In exercise, there are different type of questions are there. Choose the best answer. Next type of question is fill in the blanks. 3 number, write 2, mark for 2 and cross for false statements. 4 number is write 2 examples of each of the following. 5 number, answer the following question. Just like question is here: what is matter? What is volume? What are the physical states of matter? D number, define solid, liquid and gas. E number, define melting point, freezing point, evaporation and sublimation. F number, define elements and compounds with 4 examples of each, like that. Okay. Next question is there. 6 number question type is write 2 differences between, just like question is a difference between element and compound. Next question is difference between physical and chemical chain. Next type of question, next question is difference between evaporation and condensation. Next question is a difference between solid and gas. 7 type of question is give reason. Hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen are called elements. Why? Next, sodium chloride and water are called compounds. Why? C number, stone is solid substance. Why? D number, alcohol is liquid substance. Why? Okay. And last question is, how can you show that a stone has a certain volume? Observe the given figure and explain it. So dear student, I request you, all the students, the figure is like that for that question, and I suggest you, please everybody, I had completed the chapter and you solve all the questions, and if you're not able to do the questions, you can ask your seniors, or you can ask me if you have my contact number. Thank you, dear student. Okay, thank you. Goodbye, and we read our next class, next chapter.